had a major role to play in my fitness journey. I was never into Pilates, and she's the one who introduced me to it, rather tempted me to it.
Mehak is not just my trainer, she's like my elder sister, and she also beats me, punches me and pinches me. I'm more comfortable with her because she knows how much I can take, you know, how much workout can I do, and accordingly she'll make me do the workout, the exercises, and I think that's the best part about her.
महक ने हमेशा मेरी पूरी डाइट का ध्यान रखा, मुझे क्या खाना है, कब खाना है, कितना खाना है। एंड प्रवीण ऐसा ट्रेनर है जिसने मुझे सुबह 4 बजे भी वर्कआउट कराया है, रात के 2:30 बजे भी वर्कआउट कराया है। मेक श्योर किया है कि चाहे शूटिंग हो ना हो, तू कहीं भी है वर्ल्ड में, वर्कआउट जरूर कर।
I've been training with Mehak for a very long time, and she especially takes my Pilates sessions. And the best part is she makes it so much fun because I have really hectic days. I start at 6, 7 in the morning, then I'm, you know, at work till 10, 11, 12. So I never feel like, no, I don't want to go. It's so much fun, and I can see so much of difference in my posture, in my body, the way I stand and carry myself now. So I think it's amazing. Thank you, Mehak.